I'm trying to get you guys the best camera angle. 2017 3.6 Jeep Cherokee. Charging system issues. I believe it was the battery. Just throwing the ECM for a loop for charge rate. Let's get into it. All right, so we have the AGM battery in here. That's what it calls for. That's what it's getting. We don't put the wrong battery in people's cars, and I see it all the time. That's not a good thing. So if your battery calls for the right group size and build, meaning if it calls for a lithium battery or an AGM or whatever it is, put the right battery in. All right, so we're going to put the battery hold down in, which is super duper important. And we're going to torque that to about 12 Newton meters there. Torque to spec, battery's not going anywhere. Next is the battery terminal. We're going to check for corrosion. That all looks good to me. All right. And then we're going to torque that to spec too. You don't want to get grape ape on this with these battery terminals. All right. Tight. Can't move it with your hands. Torque to spec. You questioning my skills based on my torquing? My torquing. You know how many guys I see from AAA and all those guys that can't put a battery in right? All right, so tight, tight, tight. Everything's good there. Let's get the battery meter because I never know. This is my new test light. It's not new, it's old. I don't suspect that we have a beat battery right off the shelf, but who knows? So, surface charging at 12.6. Okay, it's good. Looks good to me. The most important part of this part here is this. To see if we get a message. So annoying when people have their radio set to come right on. All right. All right. So with the old battery that was beat to death, the processor, which is the ECM, is watching the battery and voltage and its loads. And it was throwing, well, that's 18. It wasn't there. It was past the hash mark there. So if that's 12, 14, 16, it was over 16 volts it was throwing at the charging system because of the battery condition. And it was actually a battery warning light coming on. Not that it wasn't charging, but it was overcharging, and it was overcharging so much that it illuminated the battery warning light as well as showing where it was charging. That is not normal. If it does, it's sensing a low voltage condition or probably another problem based on the programming in these systems, that it was throwing every bit of voltage at this, the battery was in there, plus my jump box was on it at the same time. And what that will do is it will put the battery in a constant state of overcharge and will destroy the battery. But the battery was showing conditions to the processor that, hey, something's up here, and the alternator and charging system and the PCM was doing its job and saying, hey, this charging system needs voltage, so it maxed out probably what the ECU could send it, but at that point it's boiling the battery because it's not in a good state of health and killing the battery. So a bad battery or a weak battery only wreaks havoc on the charging system, creating problems, and putting the wrong battery in probably would do the same thing too. So I fixed like I said, the new battery to start. I didn't know if the processor had a problem or the alternator has a problem. That would be further diagnostic past getting a good battery in the car. We also had a message for tag lights out. So if you watch my other video about bulb warning message, so there's no stored messages in here. So right now the bulbs will satisfy the bulb monitoring system. But those sockets are in bad shape. It could come back. Torque to spec.